We are still seeing a lot of demand in South Orange County. That means there are a lot of buyers who want to live here or invest here. So who is buying in Orange County? So there are three types of buyers that I'm seeing out and about who are putting offers in on properties in our area. The first type are 55 years or older. And I say 55 plus because that's a specific designation in a lot of neighborhoods where one of the buyers, one of the homeowners, must be at least 55 years old. We're seeing an influx of grandparents who want to live in the area to be closer to their families. Maybe they're moving in from out of state. This is a very popular segment of the market that we're seeing. The second type of buyer that we're seeing a lot of are first-time home buyers, probably the ones that are most frustrated because of the interest rates, because of the inventory, but they're sick of renting and they're ready to invest in the market. So we're seeing a lot of young couples looking to buy their first home. And the third type of buyers we're seeing here in South Orange County are investors. This is always a common sector of our market because everybody wants to invest in real estate in South Orange County. Our properties appreciate in value and it's a good buy. And this is just something to keep in mind as a seller so you know who you're marketing to as your target audience for when you list your house. I'm Kelly LeClaire. Thanks for watching.